Naija, how far? Like this I don't sit on top my city side my city. So if you be Naija, sit on top your city side your city. More reason matter, chop talking together based on some things where they suck for Naija cities. Don't they make some people they feel cheating? I will not go feed them Naija, they chop shit, call they call and chinching. You don't understand? Our guy for Delta State, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, see him, same face. Now the guy be this. He says excellency, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, the governor of Delta State. See. Come and close your nonsense teeth there. Don't cut your teeth. Can you imagine that? A governor of a state for 3 years, 3 good years, no good contract, no road. It's a shame. Shame they can. As I say, at the shame for Okowa. In fact, at the shame they elect you. The people elect you, call you their governor. When you can't govern the affairs of the state, sort out the problems. Give us good road, water, and light. They don't see light. They don't see road. They don't see water. It's a shame. Information reaching me now say the whole of Nebisi Road down to Okpanam, no drainage. State capital, where they are Asaba. The whole of Nebisi Road down to Okpanam, where they pass the go office, where the governor they drive past go office, and all the top government officials where they the state now there they pass. It's a shame. No drainage. No, even gutter not there. No drainage to carry water from the town, go put for river. They drive on like that. Can you see? No conscience. They drive the road like that. No conscience. And they talk now. He open his teeth. Then they look me. How can you be the governor of a state for 3 years? No contract. No good project that you feel say okay, I don't do this one they okay. It's a shame. The one they look is you be winch. If you not be winch, you they stay near winch. Oh yes, I can confirm that. You they stay near winch. How can you be the governor of a state for 3 years? No good road, no water, no light. That's how they talk. They do like say make I cry. So what thing make they elect you now? They elect you, make you come, blow siren, chop money, carry guests, go club every weekend. When 10 or finish, you say Okowa is working, vote Okowa 2019. Now the reason why they elect you that. Why Nigerian politicians they behave like people when they are belly not correct? Oh yes, it's very obvious. Because if your belly correct and your mama born you well, your teeth complete, you not get it back. You will behave well. A state governor, play the video, make it say, make it not like say, you know sometimes show me that they go see we just they talk anyhow, we know what we talk. Say we they talk and a lie. Play the video, make people watch. Play the video.
This is Delta State capital, Asaba. Since 20 past 2 p.m., the whole road has been flooded. Look at the state capital. From Nebisi down to Okpanam, cars parked because of flood. We can see. Let's look at it. The most painful aspect of this: channels, TV, AIT, Silverbird, the media house, they are all bought over by the state government. They don't report this because they are monthly salary. But we will see. If by 3 years, they are work for 3 years, they have not done anything. You see the way they come back next 4 years, they will work. Let's forget it. We keep shouting federal level. Buhari is not working, but let's look at our state now. Let our state work. It's when we work in our state, we can open mouth and say Buhari is not good. And this is a PDP state. Look at it.
You see your life? You watch the video, you watch her. That is the way to the state house, Asaba. People go pack their motor, come down, take leg, they trek, go office. It's a shame. Even the lawmakers, House of Assembly members, they will come down, take leg, trek past that place. Trek past there, go office, where you for they make money, where you for they get your daily bread. The state, you not carry the state for mind, make you take care of the state. You want just to come, take silent, carry mopo, disturb people for road. After 4 years, Okowa is working. Come and vote me again. So why we not just change our ways for once? That's why for Delta State, why we get governors like people like Ambode for Lagos, where the governor of Lagos did not be Nigerian. If Governor Ambode they feel do well, why you not go feel do well? Delta State is an oil producing state. I don't understand. Okowa is working. Prosperity for all. Prosperity for only your pocket. prosperity for you and your family and people wey dey chop under your table. They misbehave. You a whole governor. A whole governor you there. You were so. Look into this matter. Make them tell me say you don't do well. If you don't do well for that place where you dey, when I come back here, make sure say that you don't do better drainage for that place. If I come here, you don't do better drainage, I will visit this matter again. Eh? And I plan before. Make your head dey your neck. Delta State, now our state, Niger, now our country. You go work, I go work. We go make Niger better. Wait here, no come out. When I come back, I go meet you here. Bring the latest news for you.